gem of Kerala situated near Irattupetta in Kottayam district, Marmala Waterfalls, which is showering its beauty by falling down from a height of 40 meters and creating a natural water pool of 12 feet deep. Basically, this waterfall is a part of Barikaravu river, which is a tributary of Minachil river. And it won't take much of your time to reach here from Tikoy town, as it is only at a distance of 6 kilometers. And you can easily reach the base camp via a narrow road but beautiful views on either side. And as soon as you reach here, you will find enough parking facilities for two-wheelers and four-wheelers at the base camp. You only will have to take a small but adventurous trek of around 400 meters to get the majestic and scenic view of Marmala waterfall. It is rightly said that you have to risk it to get the biscuit, and it is so correct. If you really want to get the majestic views of the waterfall, you will have to take this steepy and rockiest trek, but I'm totally loving it. Wow. You just have to take very slow and steady steps because you can see the rocks are so big and the terrain is very difficult. But I guess I have almost reached the waterfall, as I can clearly see and listen to this majestic voice. I just want to go and have a view of this waterfall first. Wow man, look at this! Wow, I finally reached Marmala waterfalls. Oh my god, look at this grandeur of this waterfall. This is amazing. And it seems like the milk is flowing from the top. This is amazing. This looks so beautiful. Let me just go closer to that beautiful waterfall and have a closer picture so that I can take some Instagrammable selfies. Well everybody, if you manage to get a little closer, you can get the full view of this waterfall, and it is purely beautiful and majestic. I really can't put into words to literally stand in front of this waterfall, but I really don't have the guts to climb in the pool. If you are an adventurous person, you probably can, but only jump if you know the swimming. Well, when you talk about the accessibility of this place, you can easily reach here in 1.5 hours, as it is only at a distance of 45 kilometers from Kottayam. And if you are coming from Cochin International Airport, you will have to take a long drive of 2.5 hours to reach here. And if you are coming from Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, it might take 4 to 5 hours to reach here at a distance of 180 kilometers. If you are an adrenaline seeker, you can also indulge yourself in some off-roading from base camp, but only if you have a jeep and four-wheel drive vehicle. Though it is a year-round destination, but if you really want to rejoice and rejuvenate at this waterfall, I suggest you to come here during early monsoon, because that's when you will be able to view the waterfall in all its glory and splendor. Crystal clear water, breathtaking views and soothing sound of Marmala waterfall is totally making me feel out of this world. If you are planning your visit to Marmala waterfall, ideal option would be to enjoy the waterfalls during the day and proceed to Vagamon hill station for a memorable stay and enjoy the mist there. But before heading to Vagamon, you can also visit few of the hill stations nearby. I know it can be a hectic trip, but it will all be worth it. Well, here are some safety tips for you. Though it's not raining at the site, water level may rise depending on the rains at the catchment area of the river. So, always stay alert. And if you don't know swimming, please stay away from water and enjoy the enchanting beauty of the nature just by standing there. Just remember this, visit the waterfalls during the day and return before dusk. Here are some essentials for you. I request you all to carry adequate quantity of water with you because there are no eateries nearby. And if you are carrying your eatables, I request you not to litter the place and maintain cleanliness. It is also advisable to wear comfortable shoes and footwear for easy movement during the trek. And obviously, how can you forget to carry a selfie stick with you? Because you never would want to miss and capture the majestic beauty of this waterfall. Well, I suggest you all to travel through lush green lands and have a short adventurous trek and feel the ambience of Marmala waterfalls. I totally and genuinely enjoyed my day here at Marmala. When are you planning yours?